Alright, what's going on today, guys? I got a new Balisong to show you. Teased it a few times. If you're in the Discord, you've already seen it. But we got the Maxace Covenant V2. I traded my winter knot for this one. It has a custom anodization job done on it, along with a stone washed blade. It's running on bearings. I don't know what the actual specs are themselves, like the weight, the length. It is fairly heavy though. It's definitely not a lightweight knife. But yeah, I've had this for a while actually. I just haven't gotten around to making a video about it. So, it does have carbon fiber inlays for your grip. It has really nice jimping on it. Yeah. No tap. And then our play. Just a tad bit. Not super nutty, like some of my other ones, but it sounds pretty good. But yeah, just thought I would show this one off today. Got some good lighting, which is hard to come across here in the winter. Oh, as I drop it. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today. I'll probably be doing a couple more videos with this thing, just because it flips so smooth. But yeah, you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.